What's going on, guys? TradeModeJames here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to do something new. And like I said, going forward on this channel, we're going to be doing a lot more crypto stuff. I'm getting balls deep in crypto, so we're going to be doing a lot of price action, for Hex, Ethereum, when pulsechain comes out, Pulse and PulseX. And now, now that I've invested in these two new projects, we're going to be talking about these as well, HEDRON and ICOSA. I'm not going to go into too much detail on what these are because that would take some time. Just understand that these are really good projects and they are directly linked to the Richard Heart ecosystem. If you guys are interested in Hex or anything like that, you definitely need to know about these two projects. So go research them, HEDRON and ICOSA. All right. Let's talk about the price action. All right. That's what, I do. That's my bread and butter. I'm not a crypto expert, but I am learning every single day, but I am pretty good on these charts. So we're going to talk about the price action real quick. Before I do that, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Please share the video if you know somebody that could benefit from something like this. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. All right, let's get right to this. So I always, there's a few things I do on charts. The very first thing I do is I look at the higher time frames. We're going to start on the daily time frame. We're going to see where price is at. So right now we've had like I said, this launched back in February. All right, so this is a new project. I had a very big pump early on, and then, basically 100% dip down, to the very bottom, basically. All right. And some consolidation for a little bit, a couple months. And now, back in August, early August, we started seeing some pump happen with this, with this project. And I think I got in HEDRON probably about a week ago. So I'm a little late to the party, but I'm still really new, and you can be too. This is a very good project, guys, or you can make a lot of money in crypto, and this is a great project to be in. I highly recommend researching it, okay? Right now on the daily time frame, we have done a golden zone retracement. All right, today on the 7th, we did a golden zone test down to this outer trend line here. And we had a nice pump off that trend line. So we have the inner trend line here, the outer trend line. Typically on any chart, doesn't matter what the market is, stocks, futures, crypto, it doesn't matter, Forex, it doesn't matter. If we break an inner trend line, there's a high probability that we're going to be testing the outer trend line, all right? And it just so happens that this outer trend line was smack dab in the middle of the golden zone. What is a golden zone? The golden zone is a reversal zone by nature, all right? You pull your fib out, and this is how you find the golden zone, right? Now look, if you pull this tool out on TradingView and you don't have my settings in, you're not going to be able to do this. The settings are not correct. So I have a video on this fib tool with my settings. Go on my YouTube and search it. I will open it real quick for you. You can screenshot this, make sure it looks literally exactly like this. The colors can be different, whatever, but these numbers need to be the exact same, and the check marks need to be the same. So screenshot this real quick, and then I'll close it. I'm gonna wait about 5 seconds. You guys can screenshot it, and then we'll get right back to this price action. And if you don't catch it in time, go back in the video and you can find it that way. All right. So we'll close this out now. So a golden zone is a reversal zone, right? We come down, and basically this golden zone is here at structure as well. So this made, a lot of sense. If we do end up breaking this golden zone, you're going to see some downside. The 50 SMA is down here, all right, at this level of structure, pretty close. All right, so if we, like I said, if we break this outer trend line, you're going to see the bottom of this golden zone get hit. If the bottom of this golden zone gets broken and closed with a daily candle below it, you're going to see price probably dip down to this area here. And that's just how it works. This is all psychology. All these fib levels are just psychological levels. Retail investors, market makers, algos, everything goes in, you take all that into account when looking at these levels. But, for whatever reason, they work in every market. And it's actually kind of crazy to see it happen. You can go back in Forex, stocks, futures, and use these levels, and you'll see kind of the same thing playing out time after time after time. Like it's really crazy. So like I said, it's not that hard to be accurate on these charts if you know what you're doing. There's not really much else to say right now with this. I wanted to make a first video for HEDRON and talk about the price action because I think there's going to be people that will be watching these videos because it's going to be a big project. So like I said, daily time frame, broke this inner trend line, tested the outer trend line, testing the golden zone right now. If we break this golden zone, expect price to come down here and test this level of structure here around this 50 SMA. This would be a good spot to get in. This would be a really, really good spot to get in if it does happen. And you can see here too also, we'll pull a fib from this level as well. Let's move all this stuff so I can show you guys what this one did. So from here, we did the exact same thing, all right? Pull our fib from bottom to top. We can draw our golden zone in like this, and you can kind of see what happened. Price literally came down to the golden zone, very bottom here actually, and just ripped right off it. It is a reversal zone, all right? Now it's not guaranteed, but when you're having a bullish run, typically you want to see, no more than a 50 to 61.8% retracement. If it's more than that, you could probably see some downside maybe, you know. Really on a bullish run, you want to see like a 23.6 retracement and then a bounce. That's obviously a little bit more bullish than a 50%, but either way, this is kind of the zone where people start buying after a dip, right? They see price going up, price comes down about 50%, people start buying. It's psychology, guys. It really is. So these golden zones work, and that's basically where this stock is. I mean, this stock, you can tell I'm so used to doing stocks. That's basically where this project is at. This is HEDRON. Like I said, I'm not going to go into detail of what this is. It's directly linked to the Richard Heart ecosystem and Hex. So definitely check it out, man. It's super worth it. And I think you guys, if you actually do the research, you actually do your DD on this, you'll see how great this project actually is. And maybe you'll want to get in. If not, totally cool. All right. Just trying to put some more content out for my users. I'm not my users, my subscribers, and, kind of broaden, my audience, because I don't want to be stuck in one specific thing. I have a lot of investments spread out, and I'd like to cover them all. And I'm getting more into crypto myself. So, if you guys like this kind of content, you like crypto, you like new projects like this that can make you crazy mad gains, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And if you know somebody that can benefit from price action or learning price action or just looking at this and listening to what I'm saying, please share the video, all right? And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.